Hi, everybody. You know what, guys? For me, real love happens in two stages. The first stage is based on attraction. You fall in love based on their personalities, their smile, their presence, how they make you feel. It's the time when everything seems perfect and exciting. And then the curtain slowly lifts up. And that is when second love begins, when you start to truly get to know them better. That is when you see their scars, their trauma, their fears, bad habits, past hurts, all their imperfections. And if you still choose to love them, not because they are perfect, but because you understand and accept who they are, that is a deeper and more mature kind of love. So you see, guys, lasting love isn't about finding someone without flaws. It's about choosing each other even after all the illusions fade. That doesn't mean accepting abuse or unhealthy behavior because healthy love still requires respect, trust, kindness, and mutual effort. Accepting, remember this, guys, is not the same as tolerating harm. Okay? Have a great day, everyone.